When AI is elsewhere, it creates friction. You spend time copying notes and switching contexts, which kills deep focus. You want AI to help right where you're already working. Meet Notion AI, built directly into your workspace to draft, summarize, and brainstorm without leaving your page. This includes instant summaries, AI drafting, and context-aware assistance that understands your workspace content. Key features include instantly summarizing pages to distill long documents into crisp key points. You can also draft content within your workflow to generate emails and documents, and translate any block of content into over 30 languages. Finally, it can automatically extract action items and next steps from meeting notes. Notion AI benefits Notion Power users by multiplying productivity and amplifying workflows. Teams can summarize meeting notes automatically. Project managers can instantly extract action items from long planning docs. Writers can draft content inside the exact workspace where it lives. Anyone using Notion works smarter with AI built right in. Your AI lives where you work. No switching, no copy-paste. Just work. Simply open any Notion page, press space, and type AI, or enable it in your workspace settings. Start with a summary or draft from scratch. AI now lives exactly where you need it. Thank you for watching this video. For more business research insights and strategies grounded in evidence, please subscribe to our channel.